there! Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are a foreign national that has committed a criminal offense or has a criminal record in or outside of Canada, this can often lead to criminal inadmissibility to Canada. Due to the Canadian government being extremely strict with whom they allow to enter the country, these foreign nationals with criminal inadmissibility are often refused entry into Canada. There are many offenses that can lead to criminal inadmissibility. Therefore, in this video, I will explain the common offenses that lead to criminal inadmissibility in Canada. They are common offenses that a large amount of foreign nationals acquire. Therefore, I will explain each common offense in detail in order to understand why they would be criminally inadmissible to Canada. DUI for alcohol or drugs. The most common offense is a DUI. A DUI is an abbreviation for driving under the influence. However, there are different abbreviations that are similar to a DUI. For instance, a DWI is driving while impaired or intoxicated. A DWUI is driving while under the influence, and many more. Evidently, all of these offenses have different designations, which all depend on the circumstances of the conviction and the location of where the offense was committed. When a foreign national has a DUI or a different designation of a DUI, they will be denied entry into Canada. The reasoning behind this is because any DUI offense or any different designation of a DUI leads to criminal inadmissibility to Canada. Please note that this is the case for whether a foreign national decides to drive through the Canadian border or if they are entering Canada through a port of entry. Reckless driving. In most cases, a foreign national will prefer to have this offense over a DUI or a different designation of a DUI. However, with regards to criminal inadmissibility, both the reckless driving offense and the DUI offense both hold the same weight. Thus, because of a reckless driving offense and the criminal inadmissibility that comes with it, a foreign national will be denied entry into Canada. Drug offenses. A drug offense can be charged if a foreign national is in possession, consumption, purchase, or distribution of a drug. If a foreign national is charged with a drug offense, they will unfortunately be deemed criminally inadmissible to Canada. The seriousness of the offense entirely depends on the class of drug that is involved in the offense. Specifically, in the Canadian Criminal Code, drugs are categorized according to different schedules. By classifying the drugs under different schedules, it can ultimately determine the seriousness of the offense committed, as well as the appropriate punishment. An example of this would be a foreign national that is charged with possession of marijuana compared to a foreign national that is charged with possession of cocaine. These offenses are seen as different because of the type of drug involved in the offense. Furthermore, the punishment for these offenses are different as well. Depending on the severity of the drug offense and the drugs involved in the offense, this can affect whether or not they would be criminally inadmissible. Assault. Similar to the drug offenses, assault offenses can differ depending on the severity of the assault. In almost all cases, assault involves some type of physical quarrel between individuals. An example of an assault can be a bar altercation. However, an assault can also be premeditated with an intention of causing violence. Regardless of the severity of the assault, criminal inadmissibility would be issued to any foreign national that has any type of assault on their criminal record. Here at Akrami and Associates, we work and have dealt with many different immigration matters, and we have helped many of our clients who currently have these offenses on their criminal record apply for the appropriate application to overcome their criminal inadmissibility. If you believe that you may be eligible to apply for any of these applications, please feel free to contact us. With Akrami and Associates, there's always a way.